What's the meaning of allochthonous? Allochthonous. 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 Allochthonous.
The term allochthonous refers to something that originates outside of its current environment or location. In ecology, it often describes a species introduced by human activity into an ecosystem where it is not native. This can have negative impacts on the existing flora and fauna, disrupting the balance of the ecosystem. In geology, allochthonous rocks are those that have been moved from their original location by tectonic forces. Understanding the origins and movements of allochthonous materials is important for geological research and understanding the history of our planet.